Hey Fit Pros, Jill from Excel Wellness Continuing Education here. Happy 2020. I'm reaching out today with some new information about our continuing education program and an announcement of our next course that's coming up. So I hope your year is off to a great start. Here at Excel, we're gonna make a little bit of a shift going into 2020. I'm only going to be offering, instead of 2 courses a year, I'm going to be offering one big, awesome, great course every fall starting in 2020. 12 years ago when I started this program, there just weren't as many opportunities for really awesome live or remote continuing education as there is now. Now we have so many opportunities, so many different ways to learn and experience and maintain our certifications and grow as trainers. So I'm gonna pull back and offer one really big, super awesome program every fall. So without further ado, let's announce the next course that's coming up. I want to invite you to join me on October 17th, 2020. I'm gonna be bringing in Tim Boris, a fitness industry veteran. He's been in fitness for over 20 years. He's presented for all of the big names in fitness, equipment, people, the big fitness educators. He has done it. He is out of Canada. He also owns a host of personal training facilities there and works with a great staff of trainers and has developed some really great education and certification programs for them, which is what I'm bringing him in to share. So the name of his course is going to be called Coaching for Movement Mastery, Primal Pattern Analysis for Fitness Professionals. So Primal Pattern Analysis, that's it right there. That's what we're going to be diving in deep to, and that's something that Tim has created a whole certification around. But he's just going to be coming in and sharing his full day workshop with us. You will have the option to add on his certification if you attend, but we're just going to dive in deep and learn some really cool stuff for your toolbox just to add on to it. So this is approved by ACE and NASM already. It's worth 0.8 CEUs, but let me tell you a little bit about it, and then you'll have the opportunity to follow all the links here and check out the full details. So this is going far beyond teaching correct exercise technique. We're gonna learn how to analyze and upgrade our analytic skills, our assessment skills, and more effectively help our clients reach their goals. We're definitely going to delve into injury prevention and how to get better results in less time. We're going to learn a lot of different coaching and go into a very solid understanding of complex interactions of the body, injuries, joint, and muscle function, and definitely compensation patterns that your clients may be doing and they don't understand. They may be using them outside of the gym as well. So we're going to talk about the impact when your clients aren't with you and how they're moving and when they are with you. Let me just go through kind of what your takeaways are going to be. So we're going to analyze and improve movement patterns. I'm excited about this because even though this is stuff that you guys already know and have learned, there's always a different way to learn from someone else and add to your toolbox, and it may help you communicate better with some of the clients that don't understand how you're currently coaching them. So he's going to deal with compensation patterns, injuries, joint, muscle function, and how things impact you both in real life and in exercise. So let me just read off kind of the bullet points that your takeaways. We're going to learn how to analyze and improve movement patterns. We're going to identify and modify. There's 7 primal movements that Tim has identified. We're going to learn all of those. We're going to learn to teach proper bracing and breathing strategies, which is something we've really delved into here at Excel Wellness Continuing Education. This is just another take on it and one that may speak differently to your client, so another great tool for us. We're going to learn how to gain practical coaching experience, apply all these skills to your clients' real life situations when they're not with you, and teach them some strategies for real life. This is going to be applicable for small group, large group, and private training. So lots of really great stuff. I'm not going to take any more of your time, but I want you to follow these links here. Check out all the details. This is definitely a day well worth attending. And I'm even getting ready to start Tim's book. So this guy has quite the resume. So read that as well. You'll love it. You'll be very intrigued, and I want you to come meet him. So again, this course is Saturday, October 17th. It's from 8:30 to 5:30 p.m. here in Overland Park, Kansas, at the KU Edwards campus. Early bird registration is going on now, clear until September 11th. So we have a long stretch. It's $229 for that early bird registration. After September 11th, it's going to jump up to $269. We'll also have an on-site lunch option as always for an extra $10. There'll be lots of great sponsors and networking and giveaways and other cool stuff. So check it out now. If you want to sign up under the early bird, follow the links, shoot me an email, a message, or give me a call, and let's get you guys some great CEUs for 2020. Hope to see you there.